The roundtable discussions are a place where I get to learn what my customers' challenges are so I can address them when I talk to them about the product that I deliver.
We can see what the newest trends are, the market and analytics, the data there is very interesting and it gives you a different viewpoint. The FMA really helps us promote what we do, new technologies, and they give us kind of a conduit in the industry to talk to people.
The surveys that come out quarterly to help see what trends we're seeing as far as what manufacturers are looking to invest their money into or how the economy is going as a whole.
And you get this opportunity to talk to people from all over the country, all over North America, and you can take that information and run your business a little bit better because you've had that opportunity to interact with other people.
Every time I come to these events, I get a lot of good information, and that's why we invite a lot of people to come here from my company.
I don't know of many other industries that have such a powerful and strong educational resource for people new to the industry, for businesses that are in the industry, and just networking all together.
Our company actively participates in the FabTech show, and that becomes a linchpin for part of our marketing activities that we do throughout the industry.